Welcome back to the channel. Today, man, we are looking at this gorgeous restored 3100. It's 1951, beautiful red paint. Love the side windows. Almost as cool as the bubble windows, but definitely looks quite nice. Chrome is phenomenal, paint is phenomenal. I mean, this is just a very, very, very nice restoration. Paint on it is looking super sharp. Chrome on it is looking super sharp. She sounds great. She cranks right up too. Just a gorgeous truck. These things have definitely gotten more popular. I mean, just look at this front. This front grille looks amazing. Chrome is in phenomenal shape. Thankfully, the interior on these are quite simple, which is a good thing in my opinion. We got a nice aftermarket digital gauge for the bottom, nice lighting features. We got AC under the dash, and we got an automatic transmission. Seats are nice and comfy too. Have a little bit of give, and so is the headliner looking good too. So I say let's crank her up, take her to the street. Let's head out to the road. Fun little horn works, which is really nice to see. Ooh, brakes feel really good. Power steering also feels nice. Oh my goodness. Transmission, you basically couldn't even feel from first to second or second to third just now. Phenomenal. She's going down the road nice and straight. See how she takes this curve. Pretty good. Suspension's nice and tight. You don't feel anything slipping or moving on you. She downshifted properly. Yeah, this is a very, very nice truck. They did a phenomenal job on this. So let's go ahead and make a U-ing, get her back to the shop, put her up in the air.